Hi, welcome to my Boyax TV channel. Now, today we are going to take up another very important topic, especially those students who have a research subjects, or especially those who have a thesis writing or dissertation. Now, today I will give some important tips, no, especially in writing the rationale of your study. Now, guys, when you're going to write the rationale of your study, you have to consider the four important things that can be found in your rationale. The first is the overview of your topic, no? So you have to write there the overview, no? The overview of your topic. What is your topic is all about, no? So that is the first thing that you must consider in writing your rationale. The second is you're going to present your present situationnaire. You're going to tell what is happening during this time, no? So you're going to write that in connection with your topic. And the third one is you are going to let us say give your reasons why you choose the topic and how helpful and beneficial your topic at the present situation or problem. And the fourth one is the necessity of your topic that can solve, that can enhance the problems, no, based on your research. I hope, guys, you learned something from me, that in writing a rationale, you have to consider the four. We have the overview of your topic, present situationnaire. You're going to give your reasons why you choose your topic, and the necessity of your topic during this time. I hope and I know that in a research you need to become extra careful of those tips that I have been given to you. Thank you so much.